What if a giant space rock was heading straight for Earth? Could we stop it? Every day, thousands of asteroids pass through our solar system, but should we be worried? Let's discover the fascinating truth. Asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the Sun. They are much smaller than planets and come in many different sizes, from tiny pebbles to giant rocks hundreds of kilometers wide. Most asteroids formed over 4.5 billion years ago, making them leftovers from the birth of our solar system. Most asteroids are found in the asteroid belt, located between Mars and Jupiter. Jupiter's powerful gravity helps shape this region and affects the movement of many asteroids. Sometimes gravity from planets or collisions with other asteroids change an asteroid's path. These become near-Earth asteroids, or NEAs. Although many pass safely by Earth, scientists carefully monitor their movements. Small asteroids usually burn up in Earth's atmosphere, creating bright meteors. Larger asteroids can reach the ground and form huge impact craters. Around 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck Earth, contributing to the extinction of the dinosaurs. Scientists use powerful telescopes to discover and track asteroids. In 2022, NASA's DART mission successfully changed the orbit of a small asteroid, proving that humans may be able to protect Earth from future asteroid threats. Did you know? More than 1 million asteroids have been discovered. Some asteroids contain valuable metals like iron, nickel, platinum, and gold. Every day, tiny pieces of asteroids fall into Earth's atmosphere as space dust. Asteroids are ancient space rocks that help us understand how our solar system formed. While most are harmless, scientists continue watching the skies to keep our planet safe. The universe is full of amazing discoveries, and every asteroid has a story to tell. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more exciting science adventures.